I will explain a bird game. There are 4 birds looking sideways on the screen. There are green, yellow, and red cells to the left. Press the go button. Go left on the square. We are reach goal. You get 1 point. However, the punch will fly when heading to goal. Prevents you from reach the goal. If you reach 10 points in 20 seconds, the stage is clear. There are 3 stages. The punch move a little faster. Can you complete the 3 stages? Let's actually play. Okay, press start button. Go. Also, go. Okay, 4 point get, 5 point get, 6, 7, 8. Okay, stage clear. Next stage. Second stage. Okay, go. Okay, 6, 7 point, 8, 9 point. Okay, stage clear. Okay, very fast punch. But go. Go. Okay, 8 point, 9 point. Okay, clear game, clear. APP end. Okay, now back to the NOBIRU Bulog. The NOBIRU Bulog introduces interesting Android apps. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.